Recently, I've got a chance to spend a lovely Friday evening at a brand new local spot named Ghar in Bonogram Bazar. It was a simple family outing with my wife and son, and we wanted to see how this new restaurant was starting out in our locality. The evening felt special, and the experience was worth sharing. The moment we entered, the interior caught our eye. Warm colors, thoughtful decorations, fresh flowers, and a cozy seating arrangement. It has an international cafe. It looks like an international cafe vibe while keeping it friendly for families. My son loved it instantly, which says a lot about how welcoming the space feels. Actually, the seating capacity is decent and comfortable, suitable for small gatherings or relaxed evening with loved ones. All right. So the menu highlights, if we want to say that, varieties of burgers, chicken item, biryani, snacks, and soft drinks. You know, burgers for quick bites, chicken chop for great companion with naan, drinks coke, lemon fresh for a chilled, casual feel. Pricing are great, not that high. Good value for evening snack. Naan, chicken chop, 149 taka. Drinks, two cokes, one including lemon and ice. Total 60 taka. Altogether 330 taka. Feel fair for two people. What we ordered? Burger with French fries. The burger had a satisfying bite, juicy chicken inside, balanced spices, and a clean finish. Fries were crisp and enjoyable. Naan with chicken chop, bushes 149 taka. This was the star. The chop had a rich, flavorful profile, and the naan paired nicely with the sauce provided. Two coke lemon fresh, 60 taka, simple, refreshing, and perfect for an evening cold down. So, what about the taste and experience? Spices, balanced and enjoyable without overpowering the palate. Burger, good textures, nice chicken feel, and kid friendly. My son enjoyed it even before we placed all the orders. Like chicken chop highlighted tender, tasty, and well seasoned. Sauces and sides added variety, paired well with naan and fries. Service friendly and prompt. They are clearly trying to deliver an international vibe while keeping the local one. So if you talk about the value is for 330 taka. It's solid evening snack for two people, family friendly. Yes, I must say that ambient seating and menu are suitable for families with kids. So is it return worthy? Yes, definitely. Especially for the chicken chop and the casual burger evening. So if I would like to give you some tips. So tips for you to visit, best picks, try to chicken chop with naan. First, timing evening feels lively without being crowded. Order to smart, like pair one snack, burger and fries with a classic naan chop for variety. Drinks lemon fresh added a nice tang alongside coke. So we wrapped up under a beautiful moon, one of those small moments that makes a simple Friday evening feel special. Life is unpredictable. Don't wait for the perfect plans. There is a saying, enjoy the desert first. So enjoy your moments, savor your food, and make the time for the small joy. If you enjoyed this, visit Chilkar when you can and let me know what you tried. Cheers.